The new student. Zari and Lily are sitting together on the school bus.
Lily, there is a new student in our class. His name is Miguel.
Miguel, huh?
He is from Mexico. His father writes books.
Very interesting.
He speaks 3 languages.
Oh, he is intelligent.
Intelligent and tall, and he has beautiful,
Yes.
beautiful shoes.
Zari, Miguel is sitting behind you.
What?
Hi, Miguel.
Hi, Lily. How are you?
I am good, thanks. Miguel, this is my friend, Zari. She likes your shoes.
Oh, hi, Miguel.